For today's tutorial, addition of dissimilar rational algebraic expressions. Example number 1, x plus 8 over x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 3x minus 2 over x squared minus 4. Okay, so dissimilar, ibig sabihin yung kanyang denominator ay hindi magkapareho. So, first, kunin muna natin yung factored form ng mga denominator para mas madali nating makuha ang kanyang LCD. So, we have copy muna ang numerator. Then, ipapactor natin ito. So, ano ba ang factor ng positive 4 na kapag i-add ay negative 4? So, yan ay negative 2 times negative 2. Pag i-add ay negative 4. So, yan ang kanyang magiging factor. So, dahil yan ay x square, so x times x, then negative 2 times negative 2. Dito naman, copy ang numerator, then factor natin ang x squared minus 4. So, ito ay difference of 2 squares. So, kapag difference of 2 squares, positive ang isa, negative ang isa. So, we have x squared. So, yan ay x times x. And 4 is 2 times 2. Okay? At ang LCD, dahil pareho silang may negative x minus 2 isa lang ang kukunin natin sa kanila, x minus 2. And then yung walang kapares ay kukunin natin x minus 2 saka yung x plus 2. So, ito ang ating LCD. So, equals, copy ulit ang numerator, and then x minus 2 times x minus 2. So, ano ang kulang ng denominator natin para maging LCD? So, we have x minus 2, x minus 2. So, kulang siya ng x plus 2. At dahil nag-multiply tayo ng x plus 2 dito sa denominator, magmumultiply din tayo sa taas sa numerator ng x plus 2. So, parang wala din tayong gin-multiply kasi that is 1. So, plus, ganun din ang gawin natin sa kabila, 3x minus 2, then x plus 2 times x minus 2. Copy lang. Then, ano yung kulang dito sa denominator para maging LCD? So, x plus 2, x minus 2, kulang ng isang x minus 2. Dahil nag-multiply tayo ng x minus 2 sa denominator, magmumultiply din tayo sa numerator ng x minus 2. Okay? Then, equals, gagamit tayo ng FOIL method. So, ang FOIL method, x times x is x squared. X times 2 is positive 2x. 8 times x is positive 8x. And 2 times 2 is positive 16. Then, yung ating numerator, denominator, ay, so we have, so pwede na nating i-factor ito or pwede rin hindi pa. So, x minus 2, copy muna. Plus, yung ating denominator, copy. Okay, then, gamit ulit tayo ng FOIL method. So, 3x times x is 3x square. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Then equals, dahil yan ay plus, so plus, then kopyahin natin x square, then combine like terms, so 2x plus 8x is positive 10x plus 16 plus 3x square, negative 6x minus 2x is negative 8x plus 4. And then copy the denominator. So that is x minus 2 times x minus 2 times x plus 2 equals, combine like terms, x square plus 3x square is 4x square. 10x minus 8x is positive 2x. 16 plus 4 is positive 20. Then, pwede na natin itong kunin ang kanilang product. So, x minus 2 times x plus 2. So, dito yung kanina. X square minus 4. So, that is x minus 2 times x square minus 4. Then equals, copy the numerator, 4x square plus 2x plus 20. Gamit ulit tayo ng FOIL method. So that is x cubed. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 2 times x square is negative 2x square. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. Then, i-arrange natin in general form. So, we have 4x square plus 2x plus 20. Then, itong negative 2x, lilipat natin. So, magiging x cubed minus 2x square minus 4x plus 8. So, this is the answer.